Imagine reducing your operational costs by a staggering 60%. Yes, you heard that right. JP Morgan's 30% reduction pales in comparison to the potential of our system. Our revolutionary system is unparalleled, a first in the world. It's not just an upgrade, it's a complete transformation of how work is done. From the CEO to managers, our system streamlines all non-manual tasks. It's a game changer that goes beyond the boardroom. Picture a world where your accountants, your sales team, your IT department, all reduced from increased efficiency and reduced workload. But it doesn't stop there. Even roles you wouldn't typically associate with digitization, like manual labor roles requiring digital assistance, are transformed by our system. Any job that involves computer work, be it in management, marketing, programming, or even manual labor that requires digital assistance, our system has it covered. We're breaking boundaries in every field. This isn't a system solely for the corporate world. It stretches its technological hand to marketers, lab workers, architects, teachers, and more. It's about enhancing efficiency and innovation across the board. Picture this: labs running smoothly with little to no human intervention, schools thriving on automated teaching processes, businesses of all sizes reaping the benefits of advanced automation. Our system is not just about maintaining the status quo, it's about pushing the envelope and setting new standards in productivity. We're not just changing how we work, we're redefining it. Imagine a world where inefficiency is a thing of the past, where technology and innovation take center stage. This is no ordinary change, it's a seismic shift, a complete overhaul of outdated systems. It's about making work smarter, not harder. It's about unlocking the full potentials of AI creativity and innovation. Embrace the future with us, where the possibilities are endless and the efficiency is unmatched. This system isn't just an evolution, it's a revolution. The gateway to your future is just a click away. Unearth a world of unmatched efficiency and innovation. It's time to step into the revolution. Don't delay. Visit our website or give us a call today. Join the revolution. Take the first step toward a future of unmatched efficiency and innovation. Replace your workers with a cheaper system, one where you eliminate waste and unnecessary people immediately.